四是四，十是十，十四是十四，四十是四十。Hi, welcome to my channel. Tongue twister is a good way to improve the pronunciation in Chinese. Here's a very basic one for beginners. Please note the difference 四 and 是 here. 四 sounds like the sun or sorry in English, however, 是 has no equivalent, rather like show, but with the tongue curled upwards, very similar to march in American English. Also, we should note the importance of the rising tongue and falling tongue. Now, let's write. 四是四。四是四。Four is four. 十是十。十是十。Ten is ten. 十四是十四。十四是十四。14 is 14. 40是40。40 is 40. 四是四，十是十，十四是十四，四十是四十。Four is four, 10 is 10, 14 is 14, 40 is 40. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know if you have any questions in a comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.